Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to block spam calls on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. All you have to do is simply launch the phone app on your device. So tap on it, and then on the phone app, simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and then select settings. And then within the settings, all you have to do is select caller ID and spam. And then all you have to do is simply enable these options. So see caller ID and spam ID. If you want to identify business and spam ID numbers or spam numbers, you can simply enable that. And if you'd like to prevent suspected spam calls from disturbing you, you can enable that, and you will no longer receive any spam calls on your device. So that's basically it on how to block spam calls on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.